Good morning everyone, especially to all grade 10 students. So today we'll be discussing 3 questions in mathematics. Question number 11, solve logarithm of x minus 1 to the base of 2 plus logarithm of x plus 1 to the base of 2 is equals to 3. If you have an idea about logarithm, under the logarithm law of logarithm, we can rewrite this question in the form of multiplication. It means using the operations of multiplication. It will become now logarithm of x minus 1 times x plus 1 to the base of 2 is equals to 3. So you will notice class, we just use one base now, base 2. Then the operations, instead of addition, we change it to multiplication. So that is under the law of logarithm. Okay? And then, after that, from the logarithm, we will change it to exponential form. From logarithmic form, changing it to exponential form. 2 cube is equals to quantity x minus 1 times quantity x plus 1. And then, simplifying, 2 raised to the third power, 2 times 2 times 2, the answer is 8, equals quantity x minus 1 times quantity x plus 1. If you will multiply, the result will be x squared minus 1. Okay? X squared minus 1. And then, simplifying this equation, 8 equals x squared minus 1. If we will transpose negative 1 or using the addition property of equality to eliminate negative 1 on the right side of the equation, by adding 1 both sides, the result now will become x squared equals 9. Then finding the value of x, we will apply square root property. Square root, then square root. So square root of x squared is x. Then is equals to the square root of 9 is positive negative 3. Positive negative 3. So it means there are 2 values of x. One is positive 3, and then the other value is negative 3. So here, if you will get the answer, so the final answer here is positive 3. So the final answer is x equals positive 3. We will not use negative 3 because if we will take the logarithm, we will substitute it. So the logarithm value, the value of the logarithm is undefined. Okay? Let's proceed to question number 12. How many students are there in a class if 2 students remain after 4 rows of seats are filled, and 9 students remains after 3 rows of seats are filled? Okay. Now, in this case, we can solve this problem using algebraic expression. Now, we will let x be the total number of students, and let y be the number of students in each row. Okay? So x is the total number of students, y the number of students in each row. Okay. So from here, 2 students remain after 4 rows of seats are filled. So in mathematical expression or writing it into equation, we have now 4y plus 2 is equals to x, total number of students. Okay? Then the next one, 9 students remains after 3 rows of seats are filled. So in each row, we have now 3y plus 9 is equals to x. So we have now two equations, linear equations. Okay? And then we can find the value of x because how many students are there in a class? So the total number of students we are looking for. Now, we can solve these equations by elimination. So using the operation subtraction. To eliminate x, we will use subtraction here. So 4y minus 3y is equals to y. Then 2 minus 9 is equals to negative 7 or minus 7. Then is equals to x minus x is 0. Therefore, y is equals to 7. We will transpose this, or we will apply the addition property of equality by adding positive 7 both sides to eliminate negative 7 here. So the result is y equals 7. Now, if the value of y is 7, we can find out now the value of x. So we just only do substitution here. Using this first equation, 4 times 7 plus 2 is equals to x. So 4 times 7 is 28 plus 2 is equals to x. 28 plus 2 is equals to 30. So x is equals to 30. So therefore, the answer here in question number 12, how many students are there in the class? So there are 30 students. Okay? So the final answer is 30 students. Okay guys, can we move on to the last question? Question number 13. 8 years from now, age will be twice the age he was 6 years ago. What is his present age? In this case, we will let x again be the present age of Ace. Okay? Now, from the first sentence, 8 years from now, mathematical expression will be 8 years from now, Ace, okay, it will become now x plus 8 years from now, writing it into mathematical expression. Age will be, so is equals to twice, meaning 2 times, the age he was 6 years ago. So 6 years ago, mathematical expression will be x minus 6. Okay? Now, what is his present age? So we will solve this solving for x. Distribute 2 times x is equals to 2x. 2 times negative 6 minus 12. Then just copy x plus 8 here. Then combining similar term, we can transpose x here going to the right side, so the equation, the negative 12 going to the left side. So it will become now 8 plus 12 is equals to 2x minus x. 2x minus x is equals to x. Then 8 plus 12 is 16. 8 plus 12 is 20 rather. So 8 plus 12 is 20. So therefore, A's present age is 20 years old. So the answer here is 20 years old. Okay? So I hope you learned something about these three questions, guys. Keep watching our YouTube channel. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye. Have a nice day to everybody.